my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you decided to click on my video and stick around and be a part of the Time with April family, well then thank you so much. Let me thank all of my new subscribers. Your support means everything to me. I know I always say that, but I always mean it, you guys. And if you want to be a part of the Time with April family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button. And don't forget the notification bell, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So even though the calendar says fall, it's still really warm where I am, like in the 90s or in the upper 80s. And I still want to cool down with a nice cool drink. And I'm going to make something with two of my favorite ingredients, and that's chocolate and coffee. If you want to see what I mean, then just keep watching. I'm going to use 5 cups of chocolate ice cream. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of coffee that I made this morning, 2 tablespoons of Nutella, and some whipped cream. So this recipe is really easy, and I'm just going to add everything into the blender, and I'm going to start off by adding in the chocolate ice cream. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the 2 tablespoons of Nutella. And now I'm going to pour in my coffee. Now I'm ready to put the top on my blender. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm just going to blend it until everything is nice and smooth. Now that everything is nice and blended, I'm going to go ahead and grab my favorite jar. You can use whatever cup or glass that you like, of course. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my delicious chocolate shake. And if that's not good enough, before I take a sip, I'm going to top it up with some yummy whipped cream. And for all my Chocoholics out there, you're absolutely going to love this recipe. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see another video, then go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.